If you love cafe-style coffee but don't want to spend a fortune, the best inexpensive espresso machines offer the perfect balance of quality and affordability. These budget-friendly brewers are designed to deliver rich, flavorful espresso shots with creamy crema right from your kitchen counter. Whether you're a beginner learning the art of espresso or a seasoned coffee enthusiast looking for a reliable daily machine, these picks provide excellent performance without the premium price tag. From powerful pressure systems to easy milk frothers, here are the top 5 best inexpensive espresso machines that make barista-quality coffee truly accessible. UDI Americano Espresso Machine. Wake up your senses with the UDI Americano Espresso Machine, where elegance meets performance in every cup. With its bright LED touchscreen, brewing your favorite drink is as simple as a single touch. Choose espresso, double espresso, Americano, steam, or hot water, all with effortless precision. Experience the perfect Americano crafted automatically to the ideal balance of espresso and hot water. Or froth creamy, velvety milk with a built-in steam wand for barista-style lattes and cappuccinos right from your kitchen counter. The powerful 20-bar pump extracts deep, rich flavors from every bean, delivering that authentic Italian espresso aroma and crema every time. Whether you're a coffee lover or a seasoned barista, perfection is now within reach. Wrapped in sleek stainless steel, this machine is built to last, durable, easy to clean, and undeniably stylish. Its compact design fits beautifully into any kitchen, big or small, without compromising on performance. From strong morning shots to smooth afternoon lattes, elevate your daily brew with the UDI Americano Espresso Machine, your personal cafe right at home.
QJA 57.5-ounce Espresso Machine. Start your day the right way with the QJA 57.5-ounce Espresso Machine, where power, precision, and style meet in one sleek design. Featuring a professional 20-bar Italian pump and a 1400-watt boiler, it delivers optimal extraction for that deep, rich aroma every coffee lover craves. Brew espresso, cappuccino, or latte with cafe-quality results in minutes. Perfect for busy mornings or relaxing evenings. The intuitive LED touchscreen gives you total control. Adjust your coffee strength, try cold extraction, or enjoy the even flavor release from the pre-infusion function. With just a tap, you can customize your brew and explore new recipes like a pro. Create silky, frothy perfection with the built-in steam wand. From creaming cappuccinos to smooth lattes, unleash your inner barista and make every cup a masterpiece. The removable nozzle makes cleaning simple, while the wand also doubles as a hot water dispenser for tea or Americano lovers. Compact yet powerful, this stainless steel machine brings sophistication to any kitchen. The large 57.5-ounce water tank and drip tray are easy to remove, refill, and clean, making every use effortless. Enjoy a quieter brewing experience with advanced noise reduction plus self-cleaning and descaling programs that keep your machine performing flawlessly. The QJA 57.5-ounce Espresso Machine, built for true coffee enthusiasts who want cafe-quality flavor, control, and style right at home.
Itatics Cappuccino Espresso Machine. Turn your kitchen into your own personal cafe with the Itatics Cappuccino Espresso Machine, crafted for coffee lovers who crave barista-quality flavor at home. With its powerful 20-bar professional pump and 1350-watt motor, every shot of espresso bursts with rich aroma and bold taste, giving you a truly authentic cafe experience in minutes. The advanced NTC temperature control system ensures precise brewing, delivering water at the perfect heat for flawless extraction every time. Automatic preheating keeps your espresso consistently hot and delicious, cup after cup. Froth milk to perfection with the powerful steam wand, creating silky, creamy foam ideal for cappuccinos, lattes, and macchiatos. Unleash your creativity and master latte art right from your countertop. Switch easily between auto espresso and manual extraction modes. Whether you prefer a quick, perfectly timed shot or want to customize every second of your brew, the Itatics machine adapts to your taste with effortless control. Designed with elegance and practicality in mind, its stainless steel and BPA-free ABS build ensures durability, while silicone suction cups keep it steady during brewing. The top cover even warms your cups, a professional touch you'll love. Compact, easy to clean, and built to impress, the Itatics Cappuccino espresso machine transforms every coffee moment into something extraordinary. Brew, froth, and savor cafe perfection at home anytime you want.
Neretva LED Display Espresso Machine. Experience barista-quality brewing right at home with the Neretva LED Display Espresso Machine, where precision meets performance in every cup. Powered by a professional 20-bar pressure system and a robust 1350-watt boiler, it delivers rich, aromatic espresso with perfect crema, whether you're crafting lattes, cappuccinos, or macchiatos. Take full control with the precise temperature monitor. The clear LED display shows real-time readings, ensuring your coffee and steam are always at the ideal temperature for flawless taste and texture. Enjoy balanced flavor in every shot with the pre-infusion function, which gently increases pressure at the start of extraction, reducing air bubbles and unlocking every note from your favorite beans. The powerful steam wand lets you create creamy, velvety froth for cafe-style beverages and stunning latte art. From bold espresso shots to silky cappuccinos, the possibilities are endless. Crafted with sleek stainless steel and a compact design, the Neretva espresso machine fits perfectly into any kitchen. It's easy to use, built to last, and makes an elegant gift for any coffee lover. With thoughtful craftsmanship, professional performance, and stylish design, the Neretva LED Display Espresso Machine turns your everyday coffee into an extraordinary experience, one perfect cup at a time.
Neretva Frother Espresso Machine. Brew cafe-quality coffee at home with the Neretva Frother Espresso Machine. Designed for true coffee lovers who crave precision, power, and perfection in every cup. With its 15-bar high-pressure pump and 198-degree F precise temperature control, this machine delivers rich, full-bodied espresso with thick, velvety crema every time. The pre-infusion technology ensures even flavor extraction, gently blooming your coffee for a perfectly balanced taste. Monitor your brew like a pro with the built-in visible pressure gauge. It lets you tiny tune your extraction and adjust each cup to your personal preference, giving you complete control over flavor and intensity. Enjoy peace of mind with the automatic pressure relief system. The built-in overpressure valve releases excess force to protect your machine and preserve coffee quality, ensuring consistent, safe performance with every use. Craft silky, aromatic milk foam using the powerful steam wand, perfect for creating cappuccinos, lattes, and stunning latte art right from your countertop. Whether you prefer bold espresso shots or smooth milk-based drinks, every creation feels like it's made by a barista. Compact, stylish, and built with professional-grade components, the Neretva Frother Espresso Machine delivers cafe excellence with the reliability and care you can trust. Elevate your coffee experience and enjoy the art of espresso perfected at home.